This beginner-friendly digital product has made over $28,000. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create this and 5 other easy digital products that are going to be hot in 2025 with easy-to-use tools. If you want an even deeper, more detailed blueprint with expert advice on how to sell your digital products to hundreds of thousands of people, click the link in the description. This will give you access to all the information you'll ever need, masterclasses, and advice from successful sellers who are making at least 6 figures a year from their digital products. Digital Product 1. The first product is home organization labels. Home organization is a huge market on Etsy, and labels are the kind of small, useful items that people love to buy because they make any space look and feel put together. Pantry labels are particularly popular, but you could create label sets for bathrooms, laundry rooms, or even office supplies. Let's use pantry labels as an example. To create these, start by opening Canva and searching pantry label templates. Choose a minimalist design since buyers usually prefer simple, easy-to-read fonts that match any decor style. We can go for one like this. Create labels for staples like flour, sugar, rice, and coffee. Use a nice, attractive, and simple color scheme. Black, white, or earth tones always work well. Make sure each label has enough space for the text, so it's readable even from a distance. If you want to offer something unique, think about making 2 versions, one that's black on white and another that's white on black, giving buyers options based on their container colors. To add more value, think about including a sheet of blank labels where customers can write in anything custom. Download the finished labels as a high-quality PDF, which is the most common format for printables. When you're listing this product on your Etsy store, use keywords like minimalist pantry labels, printable home organization, or kitchen storage labels. These storage label sets are usually priced around $3. Digital Product 2. Our next product is photo booth templates. These are great for parties, weddings, birthdays, and other celebrations where people want to capture memories with fun photo props. DIY event planners love buying these templates because they can print and cut them out easily at home. To get started, open Canva and search for photo booth in the templates. Choose a design with placeholders for text and images so buyers can customize it easily if they want. If you're targeting weddings, go for elegant floral designs. For birthdays, you could create a colorful, playful theme. One approach that works well is to design bundles for specific themes, like a boho wedding bundle or a kid's birthday party pack. You could even create a custom-made bundle for baby showers. Let's pick this template as an example. I like how bright and colorful this is. We can open it up and delete the images and make it blank. We can also change the text here, the colors, and the font to make it more unique. Aim to have at least 5 templates in each pack so customers feel they're getting good value. Export these as high-quality PNG files. When you're listing this product, use keywords like wedding photo booth templates, DIY party props, or printable photo booth signs. Pricing can range from $3 to $10 depending on the number of templates in each bundle and how complex the design is. Digital Product 3. The third product is fitness challenges. Health and wellness are huge markets, and people are always looking for new ways to stay motivated. Fitness challenges are perfect for people who want a simple plan to follow without needing a personal trainer. You could design challenges for different goals: weight loss, muscle building, or even flexibility. To make this in Canva, search for 30-day challenge templates. Let's use this simple one. We can change self-care to fitness, change the fonts and colors. We can make 2 separate templates, one with empty boxes that the customer can fill out themselves, and one with specific exercises for each day. If you're creating a challenge focused on beginners, keep each day's exercise simple, like 20 squats or 10 push-ups. To generate ideas, ask ChatGPT. Create a 30-day full-body fitness challenge for beginners. It'll give you a framework that you can then organize visually in Canva. Make sure to add rest days so the plan feels balanced and doable. You can also add a motivational quote to each week's section to add a little unique touch. Download this as a PDF so users can print it and follow along easily. When you list this, use keywords like 30-day fitness challenge, printable workout planner, and beginner exercise plan to help the listing appear in Etsy's search results. You can price this at around $3 to $5. Digital Product 4. Now let's talk about language learning printables. Language resources like vocabulary sheets, flashcards, and grammar guides have high demand on Etsy, especially for beginner-level learners. You could start with popular languages like Spanish, French, or German, or focus on travel phrases for people going on vacation. For a basic Spanish vocabulary set, create cards for greetings, numbers, and common phrases. Let's say we pick fruits. You can give ChatGPT a prompt like this. Now in Canva, search Spanish flashcards and look through the templates. Pick a simple template like this. Now change the text according to what ChatGPT generated. started. Delete the images here and replace them with relevant images, which you can find by clicking on Elements and then typing in the fruit. You can easily drag and drop it into your design. Again, add your own touch. Download your finished product as a PDF so buyers can print at home. Use keywords like Spanish flashcards and language learning printable when you list this. Depending on how many of these you include in a pack, you can sell these flashcards for around $3 to $10. Digital product 5. The next product is vision board printables. These printables are a powerful tool for people who want to set and visualize their goals. Around the new year and seasonal changes, vision boards become very popular as people look to reflect on what they want to achieve, so this is especially hot for the start of 2025. To make this, head to Canva and type in collage. Pick a simple template like this. Delete the images on here and leave spaces for customers to paste their own images or write their goals. You can also add more pages and include sections like goals overview, career ambitions, and personal growth. If you want to make your printables even more inspiring, ask ChatGPT for phrases by saying, "Give me affirmations for personal growth and career success." You can offer all of this, the vision board template, the different sections, and the affirmations, as part of one vision board kit bundle. When your designs are ready, export it as a PDF for easy printing. When you list this, use keywords like vision board kit, goal setting printable, and motivational worksheets. You can price this for around $3 to $5. Digital product 6. Last but definitely not least, we have travel guide templates. These templates are perfect for Etsy shoppers who love to plan vacations. You can create destination-specific guides or general travel planners that can be used for any trip. In Canva, look for a travel planner template and again, pick a simple, easy-to-edit one like this. You could make specialized versions for popular destinations like Paris or Tokyo, listing must-see spots and travel tips for each location. ChatGPT can be helpful for this as well. Try asking, "What are the top attractions and travel tips for visiting Tokyo?" and incorporate these suggestions into your guide. Adding a few fun features like a bucket list section or a page to record memorable moments can make your guide stand out. Download your templates as PDFs so buyers can print and fill them out at home. Keywords like printable travel guide, trip planner template, or vacation itinerary can help your listing reach the right audience. You can sell these travel guides for around $3 to $10, depending on the amount of detail you include. Each of these digital products has strong potential for success on Etsy in 2025. They're all items people find useful, attractive, and affordable. Plus, they're easy to create using Canva and ChatGPT, which makes the process quick and simple, even if you're a beginner. If you have any questions about how to sell and create these digital products, or if you want to learn more specific prompts and hacks, click the link in the description to join our free Wealthy Club School community. Inside, we share exclusive tips and updates on making money online, and we even do weekly giveaways. It's completely free, and you'll be surrounded by people who are also making money online like you, so check that out. Which of these Etsy products are you thinking of making and selling? Let me know in the comments below, and if you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.